If you're trying to transfer your Amazon gift card balance to your bank account, it's important to understand how this works because many beginners get confused about this process. In this video, I'll explain the reality and show you what options you actually have in a simple and clear way. First, you need to know that Amazon does not allow direct transfer of gift card balance to a bank account. Once a gift card is added to your Amazon Pay balance, it is meant to be used only for purchases on Amazon or for supported payments. There is no official option to withdraw this balance as cash or send it directly to your bank. To check your gift card balance, open the Amazon app or website, sign into your account, and go to the Amazon Pay section. Here you will see your available balance and transaction history. This helps you keep track of how much money you have available to use. Now, even though direct transfer is not possible, you can still use your balance in useful ways. For example, you can shop for products on Amazon and pay using your gift card balance at checkout. You can also use it to pay for mobile recharges, bill payments, or other services available in the Amazon Pay section. Some people try third-party methods to convert gift card balance into cash, but this is not recommended. It can be risky and may violate Amazon's policies, which could lead to your account being restricted. The safest and most effective way is to use your gift card balance for purchases or payments within Amazon itself. This ensures your account remains secure and you get full value from your balance. In short, you cannot transfer Amazon gift card balance to a bank account, but you can easily use it for shopping, recharges, and other payments on Amazon. If this video helped you, don't forget to like and subscribe for more simple tutorials like this.